Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at the Tunnels of America, We Make America Great Again workstation, and what we're working with is a timer. It looks like this. The part numbers and this. Okay, so we're 120 volts. 120 volts going to our power strip. Power strip, we are going to a push button because the push buttons cannot be line voltage. But what we're doing is we're just running a ground, so a negative logic, just grounding the timer to start the timer. And that one push button is going to start the timer. Right now we have it set for 10 seconds, and it's set on E for a one shot time delay. So here we go. We have 120 volts coming in on A1. We have the neutral side coming in on A2, and then our hot is jumpering to one side of the contact. And so when the timer times, it's going to close the contact and send power to the light. There we go. Timer set for 10 seconds. 5, 6, 10, there you go. And this is just grounding the start gate, the start on the timer, so there is not line voltage going through that push button.